So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can blur your photo in your MacBook. So guys, if you're looking to blur a part of your photo and you don't know how to do that since you're a new user in MacBook, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video. Just go ahead and open Photos and find the photo that you want to blur. And now you can see many of these options at top right here. This is details, this is share, this is light, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on edit. And now you can see even more options. If you want to edit your photo in any other way, you can also do that, but we just need to go ahead and find this option that says retouch. Just tap here, select the size, and once you do that, just go ahead and select the part that you want to blur. Once you do that, and as you can see, I've successfully blurred this part. I can show you again. Just use this and tap and there you go. This has been completely blurred. That's how you blur your photos in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.